If you like the longer full house clean with me's, then this video is for you. This is kind of my routine that I do at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. Of course, in between that, I do like the spot cleaning, but this was a Friday right before Cody was getting off work, and I wanted to get all of this done. And honestly, this will probably be the last time I do a whole entire house clean, trying to get it done in like 2 hours, because I was so tired after this, which I know it's the pregnancy catching up to me, but my back hurts, my feet hurt. But I didn't even end up getting it done in time. Cody ended up coming home towards the end of the clean, which you'll see Delilah's greeting to him towards the end of this video. But I don't think he really cares if the house is spotless or not, or he doesn't mention anything about coming home to a clean house or not, but I still think it's nice after you go to work to come home to a nice clean house. So I wanted to it's not a perfect deep clean, but at least everything is picked up in the house. All the places that are going to be used, like the bathrooms and the kitchen and the floors, all that is clean. You'll see Delilah loves to help me mop, so she helps with that later on, and right now she's occupied, so I'm able to get stuff done really fast. And then she comes out soon to help. She wants to help vacuum, which that everything just starts kind of slowing down in the progress department here, but she loves to help and it's teaching her, so I figure it's not hurting anyone to let her help clean with me, and she's not going to want to help me clean forever, so I might as well use what help she does give and try to teach her what I can.